Remember that diamond painting that I showed you all earlier in the video? Well, now it's completed, and this is how it looks. For those of you who are new to my channel, I made a previous video for a diamond painting company called victoriasmoon. They sent me a package to review, so I made a video on that. I unboxed it and I showed you all how to get started. This is a follow-up video, so I'm going to show you a little bit of the process in completing the diamond painting, and I'm also going to show you the finished thing. Now I have to tell you that my mum did this diamond painting. I gifted it to her and she completed it in a crazy record time of just 2 weeks. I'm also going to show you how I frame and display my diamond painting. So are you ready to see the finished diamond painting? I've got it covered with this box here. So here we go. Ta-da! Isn't it amazing? This is the completed diamond painting. Try and get to show you all a bit of the shimmer and shine on these beautiful diamond paintings. You can see it's a pretty good size canvas. It's a 50 by 50. You can get smaller ones and you can get larger ones. I'm literally standing on my chair now just to show you all how beautiful this is. I think that this print especially was perfect for a diamond painting. And you can see how much work was involved. All of these tiny drills. I think it's just amazing that my mum was able to do this so quick. You definitely have to have time and patience. So I'm thinking to frame this and give it to my mum as a surprise gift. She thinks that she's put it all together for me, but little does she know that I have brought a frame for it and I'm going to get it all sorted out so that she can enjoy it and hang it in her home. If you're a beginner and you're wondering, there are square drills and round drills, but I have chosen square drills for this canvas. I preferred to use the square ones, and a lot of others do, because you can get it nice and tidy. So they all align and they fit really nice and snug. So you've got no extra spaces, so you don't see any of the canvas with your eye. Another good thing about the square drills is that you don't really have any space for the canvas at the back to show. So when you're using the square drills, there's going to be less chance of anything just getting into the little gaps here or on your canvas. And because the canvas is sticky, if you're using the round drills, for example, you've got more space in between each drill. You can see on this little square here, there's a little bit of something that's managed to get into that groove. I'll probably be able to get that with some tweezers, but if you do have round drills, the likelihood of that happening will be more. And here's a glimpse of some of the process for completing the diamond painting. My sister preferred to use the tweezers that came in the kit, and my mum preferred to use a single diamond picker. You can also use this multi-placer, which is an excellent tool to get a few done at once. It is really simple doing the diamond painting, but like I said before, you do need a lot of time and patience. So if you're starting up, maybe try a small canvas, but with small canvases it is less effective on the shine and the final look. So now you can really see just how long this would take somebody else. I don't know how my mum managed to do it in 2 weeks, but honestly this probably would have taken me a year if I tried to do it myself. And when you work on this, you just want to make sure that you peel a little away, as you can see in the images, so that nothing sticks on the canvas. It can be pretty addictive though, so once you start it, it is quite difficult to put down because you just see the progress and you want to keep going to complete the image. And here it's almost finished, there's just a strip left, and then this is the final diamond painting. Now there's a few options when you finish your diamond painting. A few people do seal it with Mod Podge. I am not going to be doing that because the way that I have decided to mount this will ensure that it doesn't get dirty, no dust or anything can get into the drills or the canvas, and the drills will definitely be secure. So that's pretty much the only reason that you will Mod Podge it or seal it with a spray or anything. It's just if you want to secure the drills in place and you want to just make sure that none of the dirt or anything can get into any of the sticky canvas that might show. But if you choose to frame it like I'm doing, then everything should be fine. The first thing that you want to do is make sure you go over your diamond painting with a rolling pin, just to make sure that all the drills are secure. There was lots of drills left over, so you don't need to worry about, if any fall or anything like that. There's definitely a load left. So you can use these for any other kind of diamond paintings perhaps, or maybe some other sort of DIYs. This is all the ones that were left. So you definitely get extra in the kit. Now I've secured everything in place with my rolling pin, I'm going to just cut off all of this white bit here, all of the excess. That looks much better now, so I've just trimmed off all of the excess material of the canvas. So you've just got the diamond painting itself. So now that you've gone over your diamond painting with a rolling pin and you've cut off all of the excess, you're ready to frame it. I personally felt like a nice, modern, stylish, minimalistic frame would be perfect for this, so that the diamond painting pops and just speaks for itself. So I didn't want to get one of the traditional frames with bulky edges, I wanted something seamless, and I was really happy to find exactly what I was looking for. So this is a frame that I've got. It isn't glass, it's plastic. So I'm just going to get rid of all of the packaging. I will link this frame for you in the description box. So all you do is remove these clips. And now I'm just going to flip this over. And you have a protective layer over the plastic as well, just so that it doesn't get scratched. You can see there's a big scratch there. So that's just going to be on this protective layer. So it's a good job that's on there and not on this plastic itself. So I've got the wood frame underneath and then the diamond painting on top. And then lastly, I'm going to take the plastic and lie that on top of the diamond painting. So this fits exact, which is really nice. Now I'm going to put all of these hooks back on to the back of this frame, and then I'm going to show you how it looks when it's complete. Here's a completed and framed diamond painting. I'm so glad, honestly, that I chose that frame because it's exactly how I envisioned it. The diamond painting just speaks for itself. There's no chunky frames that, just draw the attention. It's just so seamless and modern. Again, I will leave the link for this frame in particular in the description box, and there's loads of options for sizing that you can choose from, and if they don't have your size you can even inquire. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and perhaps it's given you an inspiration to try diamond painting yourself. And if you're someone who already does diamond paintings, I hope that this has given you an idea on how to frame it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Just try and show you the sort of shimmer. Oh, excuse me, Leo. This isn't meant to happen, but this always kind of happens when you've got two cats.